Hello and welcome to part 5 of the Quick Start Guide. In this training, we're going to work with adding content blocks to our web builder for our website. We've already have our website established. We've chosen the design that we've wanted. We've taken it out of live mode. Now it's time to start adding some of our content blocks. So what we want to do is head over to the navigation on the left hand side. We're going to go to where it says content. We're going to select that. And when you open up the content blocks, what you will see that there are a variety of content blocks that you can choose from. You got banners, you have additional content, you have headers, objects, call to action, features, columns. There are a variety of tools that you can use to build a very customizable website. So what we want to do is, in order for this to work, is simply choose the content block that we want. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add features. I'll simply select features. I will then click on it, and it will then be added into my website. Now, there are several ways in which you can do this. Let's say I want to add it up underneath this section. I can simply hover over it, wait for the plus sign to show. I will click on the plus sign. It will bring up my content blocks. And then I can choose the content block that I want by simply clicking on it, and it will be added inside of my website so that I can start designing from it. So this has been your quick start guide on how to add content blocks to your website inside of EasyMake Web Builder.